AnakinNIP, the Pro Cannon Builder.
Oh yeah. This is a secret weapon, super duper cannon. All right. Now remember, we don't have any multi TNT dispensers here, so we're gonna put a repeater in there.
Want two repeaters.
Dedicated WAM.
Why?
Does it have to server?
Because then it's a longer delay, and you
Okay.
can actually click it before it explodes.
Oh, hang on then. Hang on. Let's go pro. All right. Now that goes up there.
Okay, I think that's a good delay, except that you need a push block there.
No, you don't. You can put a slab there.
Oh wait, is it just like a
Oh
BB
no, you
switch?
can't. You can't. You have to do. Hang on. A while since I did this. Okay, and then you put redstone there, and then you put slabs there, and then you can have another dispenser there. You can run the redstone all the way to the slabs. You don't need the glass blocks because it's paper spigot. And
Well, yeah, I know it's paper spigot, but
all right.
still.
Okay, so we're gonna be testing. We're gonna be testing the saddle out for TNT ride on play.OneShotMC. Hey everybody, I'm AnakinNIP, and you've just seen us building this OP cannon. Do we have a name for this?
The AnakinNIP Destroyer.
Okay, so the idea is we fire this, the TNT comes out, and then I'm gonna put a saddle onto this TNT.
Let me actually fill this up first.
Okay,
So
I'm gonna
I
use
just did
/TNT fill, which you can
Well,
get
yeah,
by voting.
It wasn't filled before.
So you get it by voting twice or donating to the server.
You can get it either way. You can get Donator, which I think costs like $8 if you use a ton of discount codes,
Okay.
or you can just vote twice every single day.
Do we have a discount code currently?
What?
Is there a current discount code?
I cannot actually hear what you're saying.
Is there a current discount code?
Oh yeah.
It's
I'll
Anakin's discount
have-
code 1.
You can have that in the description.
Yeah.
that was probably. Do you want to restart that?
No, I like it. Okay, this is how you make money, kids. When people ask you if there's a code, you just pretend that you don't hear.
See, that's the kind of asshole behavior that I like.
Okay.
Okay, fire.
So
I have to-
I'll fire this.
and I'm gonna right click this, and I'm gonna
Okay.
land up down range. All right, bye.
Okay.
This is disappointing range.
Yes, I think we
This
need to
is
make
two
the
chunks.
AnakinNIP Destroyer V2.
Yeah.
Okay. So next up, do you want to talk about cannon debug?
Yeah, we can do cannon debugging. If you're nerdy and you want to see how far you flew and where you were in each tick that you flew,
It can be very useful for mid-airs and stuff.
you can do cannon debug, and I can't spell, debug space S, right?
Yes.
And then
You
I
select.
right click this dispenser, and then I hit cannon debug S off, right? Which turns it off. Then you fire, and I write, and I do it, and then you fire. Yeah, you fire. Do I write it again? Oh no.
You can do whatever you want.
Oh, I missed it.
Right.
Now I do cannon debug, history, all, and I get prime TNT last location, which I think is ID 7, and then it tells me. Okay, so it started in here. Tick
And
0.
you should actually be able to teleport to all of the locations in the game tech.
Yeah, I'm getting there. So then next, I'm gonna go up to tick 23. When do I leave the cannon? Tick 31? No? 39 next.
It's game ticks, not redstone ticks.
Oh, okay.
So it's going to be like 80.
Yeah,
game ticks.
71, I'm in the hole. 60, and it just takes you back through all the locations. So I think this is somewhere in the 50s. Yeah, now I'm back in the air. So that's good for testing out cannons. So what else do we got? Where's my list? I have a list.
We have biome gen.
We have biome
which
gen.
it-
That's cool. I liked that. Someone showed me that.
Yeah, it's not exactly just all canon people. Like you can use it if you're more of a like creative builder or something
Yeah.
instead. But it can be nice if you sort of want to see what it would be like to build a base, or maybe raid a base that wasn't exactly in a super flat world.
Yeah, so if you got to go through a mountain to cannon. Which,
Yeah,
if
so-
anyone remembers the old days of cannoning, where like everybody was underground, and then you'd be cannoning through a
Yes.
cave system to dry scatter their base, and then you'd get a waterfall or a lava inside the mountain. That was always fun.
Yeah.
So,
Nostalgia.
do
replay.
I have the perms to generate a biome, or do you?
I'm not sure
Okay.
because this is mine.
Okay. Well, you
Um,
put us a biome in.
But you can do this command here,
Okay. So
and it should generate the biome. Right now, I'm just going to do
biome. Yeah.
the
Biome engine. So this is what you've typed, and this should give us this should give us a forest in here soon. Have you run
yeah,
it?
it should. It takes a bit to generate.
Yeah, but that's so it doesn't lag out other people, right?
Yeah, because it's doing it async and stuff, and also, I mean, it's a lot of chunks. It's
Yeah, this is a
32
50,
times
50.
32 chunks.
I think this is a 50 plot. Oh, we have this really cool
think
thing
it's
on here
32.
called Schem Shop as well. Show everyone just real quick Schem Shop. So, slash Schem Shop, is it one slash? So,
Yes, it's one.
you can come into here and you can grab walls and you can grab cannons and you can save your own cannon. So, here's a cannon I made and I can just hit paste. If I hit paste, it's going to destroy that other one, I think. And then so you can have a cannon that you've built earlier saved and you can recall it. And I'm
Yeah.
able to give that to you, aren't I? I can give that to a friend to use.
Yeah, you can do slash schem shop space share. Of course, you're going to spell schem shop, right?
Yeah. So space share, and then what does that?
You can.
Will that
you
bring up a
share
menu?
with
Will
the-
it?
I think it's the player name and then the schem shop, or actually, I think it's the schem shop name and then the player name.
Okay, I think it's called. I've got share, paste, delete, get key.
Yeah, and get key or whatever is actually for uploading your own schematic on your local computer to the server. So
Oh,
it
that's
will bring
really
up-
good.
Yeah, it will bring up a web interface where you can upload it, and then it will save right to your personal schematics.
All right, so if I try and send this to you, I can't type your name, and that's been a thing recently on here.
It's probably just because I have like special permissions. for
No, no,
that.
no. You can't like. There you go. I sent you a cannon. So
Yeah,
no,
so
if I
I see
wanted to
that.
plot trust somebody, I could do plot trust and then try and tap their name, and then it worked when I try and do it on the video. But recently, you've been having to do slash message, tap somebody's name, and then swap the message for a trust. But again, I think that's just possibly me because it's just worked perfect.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean,
So-
I'm not experiencing that issue, but of course, I'm not like tabbing any operator people's names, so.
If you I don't think we can TNT ride this. This is a great cannon though. If you like really shit, like basic fun cannons, I guess. You wanna go ahead and I can't even ask you to fire that. We're on emeralds. This forest is taking a while to come.
You're firing east. Are you sure it's fun to work?
I have no idea if I'm firing east. It depends if the admin has patched the east-west problem.
Well, okay. I have a little rant for that.
Right? Okay, go.
Okay. So, the reason that I didn't patch the east-west sort of bug, you could say,
Yep.
is because the reason that the TNT goes off to the side is actually the triangle effect. So if you're patching sort of like the east-west bug, what you're doing is you're just restricting triangles. And the reason it's a triangle is because triangles always move in the x direction first.
Yeah.
So instead of sort of going onto the side of the barrel and sort of aligning themselves, they actually get out of the barrel first and then move to the side. So
I was told, and this is probably, we'll just leave this on the end of the video for anyone who wants to care, because we just hit like 12 minutes. I was told that like on early versions of Minecraft, like Minecraft like 1. Up to say 1.4 or something, that the world was aligned the other way. This is the way it was explained to me. So like north was east and east was north, and that the world renders in a circular motion. Is that right? So like you're saying with the triangles, like the TNT goes off one way because of rendering, and it's because the world doesn't render as a square, and because they changed north to south.
like honestly, I've not looked in the code from 1.2 or whatever alpha,
Yeah.
but I'd assume that they still do it this way because basically what they're doing is they're trying to move the TNT from the area it is in one game tick to the other game tick, because you have to understand that Minecraft works in game ticks and is not always rendering everything.
So what we're
every
going to do to
single-
patch this up is we just put one realign here, don't we? Because we already had the slab bus realigned.
You have to align this TNT too, and then it should work.
All right, so if you want to wire that up.
Yeah, basically you have to just think of how it would fire if there were no sides to the barrel.
All right.
And if you thought it would, and if you think it would fire straight, then it's fine.
Stack 19 up. Okay, give that a go.
Okay.
And hopefully these will move, and then we should have an east-west aligning cannon. Or it'll blow up, I mean. And that works.
Easy.
Easy. And the reason this actually had one of the aligners already set up is because the slab bus TNT comes in from the left side of the cannon. What you really want to do is put everything in from the right side of the cannon, or from the same side.
Yeah.
Unless it's a left shooter. Okay, so I think that's enough. We'll do like a second video. So if we just stand here and do the... Wow. Keep pressing my Twitch key. So if we just stand here and do the selfies and stuff and wave and say hello to everybody. Goodbye. Okay. Well, thank you very much. We'll do some more features of the server soon. I'm clear.